How to instantly increase storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Now, tap on General. Inside the General menu, tap on iPhone Storage to view a detailed breakdown of your device's memory usage. On this page, you will see recommendations to save space. Tap on the empty button next to the recently deleted album recommendation. As you can see, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to proceed and clear the album. You can also scroll down to see a list of your apps sorted by the storage they consume. Find an app you no longer need, in this case, chess, and tap on it. On the app's details screen, tap on Delete App at the bottom. Confirm by tapping Delete again to permanently remove the app and all its related data. After deleting, you can see that your available storage has increased. Following these steps, you can easily instantly increase storage on an iPhone.